Hey, it's Todd Ault. These are Wall Street words. Welcome back. Today's word is tombstone. I'm not talking about Tombstone, Arizona. I'm talking about a tombstone filed by an investment bank when they've raised capital for a public or private company. Now, this tombstone, when it's published, like usually in the Wall Street Journal or one financial magazine, there's lots of places the tombstone can be public, but it's effectively an advertisement that says, hey, we closed this transaction. Here's all the investment banks that were involved. Here's the lead underwriter. Here's the co-book runner. All the things needed when raising capital for public and private companies. These tombstones are published in publications all over the country. It's also a way of an investment bank to pound its chest and say, look what I did. Now, it usually provides a link or a way for you to find out about the prospectus that this investment bank issued. Tombstones are an important part of the process. Now, secondarily to this, I'll point out that lots of tombstones are sent out now on the internet. If you're on a mailing list, they post them on their websites. They send you an email saying, hey, look what we did. Today's word is tombstone. Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. New words and terms delivered every single day. Please subscribe, push the bell. If you found this information helpful or you think someone could benefit from this information, please share this video. Thanks for watching our channel. Always good things happening here.